Hi, I'm Jerry Smith. I'm a trustee of Arts Trail Studios, a total new concept of art studios on the High Street. We have facilities here for the artists to exhibit their work and for the general public to come and visit the artist and meet them in a studio environment. One of the services we supply to artists and the general public is a framing and printing services. To use that, we have to use professional equipment, underpinners, and we need compressed air. Now, because we're in a gallery situation, we need quiet air, and that is one of the reasons why we picked a Titan Precision. Having volunteers, it was quite important that the compressor we chose was low maintenance, as it can be difficult at times having a regular daily maintenance routine when you have different people using the equipment.